Welcome to your dream home, brought to you by American Dream Realty, where dream homes come true. Move-in ready 3-bedroom 2-bath brick ranch on 1.79 acres with attached carport. Close to I-20 and I-77. Hardwoods throughout. Kitchen opens to dining area. Formal living room with built-ins, large great room with French doors. 2 fireplaces. Additional sun room and laundry room. 309 square feet. Not included in heated square footage. Buyer's agent to verify square footage. Note: property includes 2 tax map numbers 145 to 070317 and 145 to 070316.